Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome in today's topic where we shall discuss Bangle Sellers written by Sarojini Naidu. It is a poem where we shall discuss the questions of the said poem. Question number first is, who is the speaker in the poem? The question number first says, who is the speaker in the poem, or who is the narrator in the poem? Answer is, it is the poetess who is the speaker of the poem. It is the poetess who is the speaker of the poem. Poetess here means the poet, as it's a female, so I have used the term poetess for that. So answer to question number first is, it is the poetess who is the speaker of the poem. Question number second, how are the bangles described in the first sentence of the poem, and who are these bangles for? We have to describe the stanza number first of the poem. Its description is as, answer is, the bangles described here are delicate and bright. They look like rainbow tinted circles of light. These bangles are for happy daughters and for happy wives. My dear students, the bangles described in the first sentence of the poem have been described as delicate and bright, and they look like as they are rainbows, and as the rainbows have different colors, so are the bangles which have rainbow colors, circles of light. These bangles are for whom they are for. These bangles are for happy daughters and for happy wives. Question number third, the poet uses different similes for the bangles. What are these? Here in the poem, different similes have been used. I have told it to you before that similes are the words, or similes are the comparisons of words, where we compare one thing with the other thing of different kind, and the similes make our speech more powerful and emphatic. Answer to the question number third is, the similes used in the poem are silver and blue as the mountain mist. Second one is, flushed like the birds that dream. Third one is, like fields of sunlight corn. Fourth one is, like the flame of her marriage fire. Fifth one is, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. These are the list of the similes which have been used in the said poem. Question number 4 is, name the different colors of bangles mentioned in the poem. What do these colors represent? The bangles have been described in the poem. There have been the different colors have been associated with the bangles. What are those bangles, and what do these colors represent? Answer is, the different colors mentioned in the poem are silver, blue, purple, golden, and rainbow tinted. These colors represent different stages in the life of woman. The colors which have been mentioned in the poem, or have been mentioned, they represent different stages of the woman in her life. Question number 5 is, the word some has been repeated in the poem for a purpose. What is it? The word some have been repeatedly used in the poem. What does this word some represent? The word some has been used for different bangles. The word some has been used for different bangles that are for different occasions, that are meant to use for different occasions, and for daughters and wives. Question number 6 is, explain the following lines. Some are meet for maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. These are the lines taken from the poem Bangle Sellers, written by Sarojini Naidu. The explanation to these lines is, in these lines, the poetess, that is Sarojini Naidu, wants to say that a bangle seller has different bangles, or for an unmarried girl, that is the bangles which the bangle seller sold are meant for the unmarried woman, unmarried girls. They are of proper size for a maiden's wrist. That is, they are proper for a virgin, for an unmarried girl. Some of these bangles are silver and blue in color, just like the mountain mist. Some of the color of the bangles are silver and blue in color, just like the mountain mist. Just like the mountain mist. These were the questions, and these were the questions of the poem Bangle Sellers, written by Sarah Janini Naidu, where we completed 6 questions of the poem, and there are still 1 or 2 questions left which are blanks, and some other grammar type questions. We shall discuss those very questions in the next topic. Till then, assalamu alaikum.